Ito po ang aming handa. Simple celebration po. Happy Mother's Day. Ayan, simple cake lang po. Chocolate. Happy Mother's Day. At saka nag-fry po ako. Fried chicken. Ayan, fried chicken. Saka carbonara pasta. Ayan, carbonara pasta. Kita niyo yan, guys. Tapos may sauce kami with green salad. Ayan. So, yan po lahat ang aming handa. Ayan. Simple lang. Happy Mother's Day.